Welcome, creative friends. I hope you are feeling wonderful today. We are going to talk about creativity. Creativity is like a superpower. Everyone has it inside them. It is waiting for you to wake it up. Today, we will find out what creativity is. We will learn why it is so important. And we will learn how you can become more creative. Let us go. 1. What is creativity? Creativity is the ability to make something new. It is about thinking in new ways. It is about bringing new ideas to life. It is using your imagination to create things that did not exist before. It is not just about art. Creativity makes you different from everyone else. No one thinks exactly like you. No one has the same experiences, knowledge, and imagination as you. This means you can create things that no one else can create. Your creativity is your special gift to the world. 2. Why creativity is important. Let me tell you why creativity is so important. First, creativity solves problems. Life is full of problems. Creative people are excellent problem solvers. They do not think in just one way. They think in many ways. When one solution does not work, they try another way, and another, and another. Creative thinking gives you options. The more creative you are, the better you are at finding answers. Second, creativity makes life more interesting. Imagine a world without creativity. There would be no music, no movies, no books, no fun. Everything would be boring and the same. Creativity makes life colorful and exciting. It turns ordinary things into something special. Creative people make the world more enjoyable. People who make the world more enjoyable for everyone. Third, creativity expresses who you are. Everyone has thoughts and feelings inside them. Creativity is how you let those thoughts and feelings out. It is how you show the world who you are. When you create something, you are saying, "This is me. This is how I see the world. These are my ideas and feelings." This is important. It helps you understand yourself better. It helps other people understand you too. Creativity is a way of sharing your inner world with others. People who never express their creativity often feel frustrated. They have ideas and feelings trapped inside. Do not let that happen to you. Use creativity to express yourself. Fourth, creativity builds confidence. Every time you create something, you prove something to yourself. You prove that you can do it. You can make something new. You can bring your ideas to life. This builds your confidence. This confidence spreads to other parts of your life. You start to think, if I can create that, what else can I do? You believe in yourself more. That is a wonderful feeling. Fifth, creativity is valuable for the future. The world is changing fast. Many jobs that exist today may not exist in the future. New jobs that we cannot even imagine yet will be created. In this changing world, creativity is becoming more and more valuable. Computers and robots can do many things, but they cannot be truly creative like humans. They cannot imagine new ideas the way you can. So creative people will have big advantages in the future. No matter what job you do, creativity will help you succeed. Start building your creativity now. You will be ready for whatever comes. 3. How to become more creative. How do you become more creative? Here are simple and proven ways. First, be curious and ask questions. Curiosity is the fuel for creativity. Curious people ask, "What if?" and "Why not?" and "How could this be different?" They wonder about things. They ask questions. They explore ideas. Children are naturally very curious. They ask questions about everything. Stay curious like a child. Ask questions about everything. Wonder how things work. Imagine different possibilities. This curiosity feeds your creativity every day. Second, try new things. Creativity loves new experiences. When you try new things, you give your brain new material to work with. Read different kinds of books, listen to different music, learn new skills, meet new people, have new adventures. All of these new experiences create new connections in your brain. The more different your experiences are, the more creative you become. Creative people are interested in many different things. This gives them more ideas to combine in creative ways. Do not just stay with what is comfortable. Try things you have never tried before. New experiences add to your creative potential. Third, make time for daydreaming. In our busy world, everyone is always doing something. We are always busy. We are always focused on tasks. But creativity needs time to wander. It needs space to play. It needs quiet moments when your mind can relax and imagine. This is called daydreaming, and it is actually very important for creativity. When you daydream, your mind goes to new places. It plays with ideas. It makes unexpected connections. Some of the best creative ideas come during these quiet moments. Give your mind time to rest and wander. Give your creativity space to breathe. Fourth, do not be afraid of mistakes. Many people do not try to be creative because they are afraid. They worry their creation will not be good enough. They are scared people will laugh at them. But there is no wrong way to be creative. Creativity is about trying things. It is about exploring and experimenting. That is part of the process. Many artists and inventors made thousands of mistakes. They created things that did not work. They had ideas that failed. But they kept going. They learned from their mistakes and tried again. Fifth, practice regularly. You cannot become creative all at once. You need to practice. Creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Set aside time for creative activities. During this time, just create something. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Ideas will come more naturally. You will feel more confident. Your creative muscle will grow strong. Sixth, combine ideas in new ways. A lot of creativity is about mixing existing ideas together in a new way. You can practice this. Take two different things and imagine combining them. What would you get? How could it work? What would it be used for? This exercise trains your brain to think in creative ways. Seventh, surround yourself with inspiration. Your environment affects your creativity. Put colors, interesting objects, and inspiring images around you. Look at creative works. Read creative stories. Your creativity wakes up. 8th, give yourself permission to play. Adults often forget how to play. They are always serious. They are always focused on important things. But play is important for creativity. When you play, you try things without pressure. You do things just for fun. You do not worry about results. This freedom lets your creativity flourish. So give yourself permission to play. Sometimes just create for the joy of it. This playful attitude unlocks your deepest creativity. 4. Conclusion. Let's review what we've learned. Creativity is for everyone. You do not need to be an artist to be creative. Creativity is important because it helps you solve problems. It makes life more interesting. It expresses who you are. It builds your confidence. And it is valuable for your future. You can become more creative by staying curious. Try new things and have new experiences. Make time for daydreaming. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Practice often. Combine ideas in new ways. Surround yourself with inspiration. Give yourself permission to play. You already have creativity inside you. It is waiting for you to use it. Your creativity is your special superpower. You can create things that no one else can create. So just create. Notice the joy of making something new. Notice the joy of bringing something new into the world. Notice the excitement of expressing yourself. Thank you for exploring creativity with me. You are creative. You are imaginative. You are full of wonderful ideas. Now go out there and create something amazing. Show the world what you can do. If this video helped you, please subscribe and never miss a lesson that could change your life.